Have you ever wondered what silent killers lurk behind the comforting curtain of everyday life? What if I told you your own body, your planet, even the entire future of life itself, might be teetering on the edge of unimaginable horrors you never dreamed could be real? Welcome to Wild Science and Weird Tech. Be sure to like and subscribe so that we can bring you many more fascinating videos like this one. And be sure to watch all the way to the end and leave a comment. 10. Zombie viruses from the thawing permafrost. Deep in Siberia, long-dormant viruses lie trapped in ice for tens of thousands of years. In recent experiments, scientists revived a pithovirus frozen for around 30,000 years, and it came back to life. As global warming melts permafrost, these zombie viruses could escape into our world. Viruses nobody's immune to, nobody's prepared for. 9. Mirror bacteria. Science's Pandora's box. Imagine an alien form of life, built entirely from the mirror version of proteins, inverted amino acids so unlike ours that our cells don't recognize them. A group of more than 35 scientists recently warned these synthetic mirror bacteria could spread unchecked. Immune systems wouldn't see them as threats, and ecosystems could collapse in mass extinctions. We might be accidentally engineering our own apocalypse. So, Toxoplasma Gandhi. Your brain, not your cat. This terrifying parasite, T. Gandhi, actually infects up to 30% of humans. It lives in your brain, and yeah, it can subtly change your behavior. In rats, it turns fear into attraction, basically giving cats their dinner. In humans, there are correlations linking it to increased aggression, more accidents, and even suicide. You may already be host to a micromaster manipulator. Your body is a microbiome apocalypse. There are actually more microbial cells in your body than human cells. Every single inch of you teems with tiny organisms. And even weirder, your body kills cancer before you ever know it. It's constantly fighting off tumors every minute of every day. But if one escapes, bam, that silent adversary can rise unchecked. Electricity, the fatal whisper. A mere 20 milliamps of current, barely enough to light an LED, is enough to stop your heart. Even a 9-volt battery, if applied the wrong way, could kill you. We live plugged into power, surrounded by shocking danger. Hyponatremia, drowning in water you've already ingested. Drinking too much water can actually kill you. The condition hyponatremia dilutes your blood sodium so much that your brain swells, which can lead to seizures, coma, and even death. Yeah, even water, our most trusted remedy, can actually betray us. Chronostasis. Your brain is lying to you. Ever seen the second hand on a clock freeze, or maybe thought your heartbeat flipped before you noticed? It's not magic, it's psychology. Your brain is actually messing with your perception of time, creating false memories and illusions. You don't really perceive reality. You're living in a subtly warped simulation. Cockroach future. Pomeranian-sized mutants. As radiation, plastics, and pollution bend evolution, scientists have predicted future cockroaches the size of small dogs. And yeah, giant carnivorous pigeons, mutant rats, and massive bats. When the next mass extinction hits, the creepy survivors may be even creepier. Gain-of-function nightmares. Yeah, let's talk about those. Scientists sometimes tweak pathogens to make them deadlier, supposedly to study them. But critics argue this gain-of-function research risks leaks that could spark pandemics even worse than COVID-19. One accidental slip in a lab, and, well, humanity pays the price. Mirror life, the existential terror. Let's revisit mirror bacteria. But this time at number 1. It's not just science fiction. This isn't about mutation. It's about creating life that biology just didn't evolve to handle. If mirror bacteria meet mirror virus, mirror food chain, they're immune, unstoppable, untouchable. And honestly, our cells are blind to them. One leak, one spill, and sterile soil dust could carry species eraser spores, killing humans, plants, animals, all without a trace. These scientific nightmares aren't from horror movies. They're hidden realities, lurking in labs, ice, oceans, and yeah, even in our own minds. Our planet is melting, science is accelerating, and we're rushing toward thresholds humanity wasn't evolved to survive. So what now? What scares you the most? Thawing viruses? Mind-controlling parasites? Living mirror aliens? Giant cockroaches? Or humanity unleashing destruction from within? Leave a comment below. Tell us which fact chills you the deepest, and make sure you liked and subscribed if you're hungry for more jaw-dropping wilderness of science and weird tech. We've got more wild, weird, and world-changing mysteries coming your way, so stay tuned and watch all the way to the end on every video. Thanks for watching Wild Science and Weird Tech. See you next time, if we're not too late.